Okay, let's do an exercise with that. My restoration. And the exercise is think back of the main stressor we worked on in the previous exercise. And how did your restoration phase look like? What happened on a physical level, on a tissue level? What happened on an autonomic nervous system level? What happened on a psychological level? Brain level, we don't know unless you have a CT scan. And what happened on a social level? How did your restoration phase look like? So for example, what were your thoughts? What was your energy level? What was your appetite? What emotions did you notice? And what physical sensations did you experience? And were there any symptoms? Take about 15 minutes for this. Ready? Go.
You know the drill. Hit the subscribe button so you never miss any valuable content.